And I'm Chloe, and we're both wilderness explorers.
咁你哋準備好同我哋一齊去探險未啊？咁就係時候好好運用你無限嘅想像力，令到我哋即刻踏上一個令人驚心動魄、刺激萬分嘅環球探險之旅。
This is your chance to use your imagination as we set out on an exciting journey that will take us to many places. And now, it's time for our adventure to begin! A feather duster? Wow! Great job, Louie, on bringing your own reusable water bottle.
做得好啊！循環再用嗰啲紙巾同埋紙板都係好嘅習慣嚟㗎。
Look everyone! Our fellow wilderness explorer Russell is here. Russell's gonna go to Paradise Falls, far away, South America.
咁多位，羅小飛都會帶領我哋去到仙境服務，去位於好遠嘅南美洲。
But first, let us hear you shout the Wilderness Explorer call.
The wilderness must be explored. Roar!
Let's do it together. One more time.
The wilderness must be explored. Roar! 咁我哋而家出發去仙境服務啦！
Are you ready? And off we go! Are we lost? I don't see any falls.
哎呦！你睇下，係馬騮啊
They're kind of cute.
！Oh, thank you。喂，過嚟啊！
We better help clean up. After all, we should be trashing the forest.
講得啱啊！每一次都要清潔好你用過嘅營地，之後有小動物經過，佢哋一定會讚好啊！
And now, we find ourselves in a forest in India, where we meet King Louie, living among the ancient temple ruins with all the monkeys at his command.
咁多位，我哋而家喺印度呢個森林裏面，喺呢度我哋會見到路英王。
遇見嘅情況，呢一場奇妙暢遊大冒險經已終止。我哋到此深表歉意，並希望大家喺香港迪士尼樂園會有愉快嘅一日。重複宣布，呢一場奇妙暢遊大冒險經已終止。多謝。
由於不可預見的情況，這一場奇妙暢遊大冒險已經終止，我們對此深表歉意，並希望大家在香港迪士尼樂園會有愉快的一天。重複宣布，這一場奇妙暢遊大冒險已經終止。謝謝。
Due to unforeseen circumstances, this performance of Adventure is Out There cannot continue. We apologize for any inconvenience and hope that you continue to enjoy your visit to Hong Kong Disneyland. Once again, this performance of Adventure is Out There has been cancelled. Thank you.